Hi, I'm Siddharth, and here are a few things that have caught my eye during the past week. First of all, BJP won the elections in Assam while they lost the elections in Bengal to Mamata Banerjee. Also, the existing government won the elections in Kerala. Another piece of news is that a teenager was cheated out of 30 lakhs, and the teenager was initially promised a place in Kolkata Knight Riders, the IPL team, but it turned out to be a fraud and he was cheated out of 30 lakhs. Yes, so this is what I have caught during the past week, and yes, I hope it's helpful. Thank you.